Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I'm doing a 3-part butterfly braid ponytail. My hair is freshly washed, so I'm prepping my hair right now for the style, which of course is blow drying, and then I'm just doing a really light press on it. Now for this style, it is a sleek style, so I'm using this beeswax to mold my hair down and keep everything in place. I love the black beeswax. Not only does it keep everything in place, but it does also kind of fill in any gaps, and it just helps your hair to look really kind of precise and sharp when it comes to your sleek style. Now for this ponytail, like I said, it's 3 parts. So after you make your 3 parts, it is a little bit easier if you put the middle section in a ponytail first and then do the sides. You wouldn't think it, but these 3-part ponytails can definitely get a little bit tricky. So every time that I do one, I know I cannot rush it. So now that I have my ponytails done, I do have my ponytail in the back done too. I actually did a drawstring ponytail back there, but today I just wanted to focus on like the butterfly braid. But now that everything is done, molded down, edges are done, I'm gonna start braiding my hair. Now I did use braiding hair to add to my little ponytails on the side, just normal braiding hair. I split one bundle of braiding hair into 2, and I just evenly put them throughout my braids on both sides. So now I'm just braiding normal, kind of loose too. I'm not braiding a tight braid or really precise, just a really loose braid, adding the hair as I go, kind of feeding it in. Now I'm ready to fluff out the braid and give that butterfly effect. I did add a rubber band. Of course, you'll need one if you're going to fluff the braid out to keep it in place, but you want to start at the bottom and work your way up. As you can see, I'm literally just pulling the hair out of the braid upwards to fluff it out. So that's all that I do. You can do it more precise. You can do it more messy. Anything you'd like. It's going across my head like a crown, so I really wasn't too worried about how it was looking, but you can definitely do it precisely, make it everything even. I just kind of freestyled it. I didn't really care because it is going to be the crown across my head, and then I'll have 2. And I didn't want it to be too thick, but I think it came out really cute. It's actually really simple and easy to do a fluffed out braid like this, so definitely worth a try if you have not tried it already. But I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side, and then I'm literally just going to put the braid like this across my head. You can have it more up or more back. It's really up to you, very easy. And then I just pinned it in place with a bobby pin. Now the extra hair at the bottom of my braid, I just tucked in upwards to hide it. underneath the braid, and then I used another bobby pin. So really simple once you get to this part. The hardest part about this hairstyle is definitely the 3 parts, but even that, doing it this way is really not that hard. So definitely a quick and easy hairstyle, something that's really affordable. You can do this hairstyle really quick. I have a lot of braiding hair just sitting around, so I didn't have to go get any additional hair for this style, and it lasted me a good little minute. So I hope you guys like this video and try this style out. If you have not, please be sure to like this video. If you like it, of course, subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.